Okay, so what's up guys, it's your guy Shapira here once again, and guys, in today's video we're going to continue what we started. We started a journey towards making 50 cedis a day or making $100 in a day. So I did a part 1 of the video. If you didn't watch it, go back and go and watch it. The link will be linked below. And guys, today we are going to do part 2 where we are going to go ahead and buy the Bitcoin. I will show you the best way and how we can buy Bitcoin with a maximum amount of $5. Guys, it's very simple. You can buy Bitcoin with a lower amount of money and set it a big amount of money. So this is a video here, as I can see on the screen. Let me just click on it real quick. Let me just bring it back and click on it, and let me show you. So this is the part 1 of the video. I started all these things with you, so you can see this is the part 1, how to create a Binance account. So guys, go and watch this video. If it's your first time watching this one, go back and go and watch this video. And guys, don't forget to click on the like button. Guys, like and comment below, and also share this video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. Okay, so guys, without wasting much time, let me just go quickly. Let me just open my Binance account, the one that I created with you in the first video. Okay, so let me just open it real quick. Okay, so guys, when you open it, this is how it's supposed to be. When you finish verifying everything and you have done the verification, this is how your Binance account is supposed to be, the interface is supposed to be. As you can see, we have some coins there who are gaining and some are losing value. You can see the one in the red are losing value and the one in the blue are gaining value. So before we forget, remember we are going to, is Bitcoin that we are dealing with. We are going to buy and sell Bitcoin in this video. That's the main focus that we are here. And guys, when you are here, what that you need to do is click on the P2P trading. I don't know if you can see this. Let me just cycle this for you. P2P trading. Guys, so when you click on it, it will take you to a page like this. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, like this, as you see on the screen. And guys, if you didn't verify your number here, they will ask you to verify your number, verify your email address. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and verify all those numbers. As you can see, I'm done verifying. Now, as you can see on the top here, you have some people who are selling. We are coming to buy Bitcoin. That's the main reason we are here. But this one, at this column here, we have BTC, and you can see people are selling BTC at a rate and the amount of money that you require to buy the BTC. But you're not here for the USD. We are here to buy the BTC. Sorry, so let's go to BTC. As you can see, I scroll at Bitcoin, the BTC at the top. So just look at the top. Now when we are here, you can see that a lot of people who are selling, and this person here is selling at a minimum rate of 14 cedis. Guys, as you can see, it's very cheap. This one is selling 14 cedis. This one, the second one is 30 cedis. The third one is 20 cedis, and the fourth one is 14 cedis again. So as you can see, they have a lower rate for you to buy Bitcoin. But guys, if you can make money through Bitcoin, buying those small amount of money will not be able to make a lot of money or a lot of profit from it. So I will encourage that you invest more money in this Bitcoin. So in case you want to buy it, just click on buy now. And now they're asking us to verify our SIM card and verify the email address, the one I told you. So they are to provide my number. So real quick, I'm giving them my number, and now they said they will send a code to me. So let me just wait for the code. Let me think if I receive the code. Okay, as you can see at the top, I just received the code. Don't try to confuse yourself. The only thing is that when you look at the rate and you know the one you want to buy, click on the buy, and they'll ask you for verification. And this is only done once; they will not do it again. So now they'll send a code to me through my email again. So let me go. Okay, so guys, let me go quickly and go and check my email. Let me see if I received the code or not. Okay, right here. Where is it? Okay, let me go back and check my email. So make sure that you check your email, and the code will be sent through your email. Okay, so let me just set for my email real quick. Alright, so while doing all this, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos. So guys, I think the email is in. As you can see, that's the first email that I have here. So all that I need to do is to click on it and grab the code that they have sent to me. And okay, so I've given them the code already, and I have to verify all my accounts. Now I can go ahead and buy the Bitcoin. So let's assume that you want to buy it from Stone. That's the second person. The name of the second person is Stone. So click on the buy. After you click on the buy, as they say how many amount of money you want to buy. So you can pay through crypto and you can pay through mobile money. But here I'm going to show you how you pay through Momo account. Yes. So all that you need to do is leave it buy flat and click on 15 cedis. So imagine you want to buy 15 cedis. Okay, so click on the buy with 0 fee. That means they're not going to charge you for any amount of money. Okay, so when you're here, let me just next this thing quick. Next. Okay, so guys, when you're here, all that you need to do is that you make payment. As you can see, you have a make payment below it. So click on the make payment end to take you to the next page that we are going to make the final payment. As you can see, this payment method here is Momo, Vodafone Cash, MTN Mobile Money, Tigo Cash, and Airtel Money. So those are the payment method that you can use to pay this person, and this person will sell his or her Bitcoin to you. Okay, now we have to choose the option. So we are going with MTN Momo. So let me just click on MTN Mobile Money. Okay, so that's the third one, MTN Mobile Money. I'm clicking on it, and you can see Okay, let me just skip this thing real quick. Okay guys, as you can see the name of the person there and then the telephone number of the person. So guys, all that you're going to do here is that I just copy the number. So just click on where the number is, click on copy. So you click on copy, go back to your phone diary and transfer the 15 cedis to this person. And guys, this site is some kind of powerful site that they cannot scam you, because when you transfer the money to the person, they will not release the money to the person unless the person release the bitcoin to before the money will be released to the person. And that's when with the verification, they are asking for your passport pictures and all those things before you can be able to verify. So as you can see, I'm just showing you how you'll be able to send the money to the person. So this is the number of the person. I'll just paste it here, come here again. Okay, so paste it here again and send. And guys, the amount is 15 cedis. Don't try to add any amount to it, just send the 15 cedis direct, 15 cedis. And the referral, you can write something like BTC. So let me just write this quickly. B T and C. Okay, so when transfer, guys, I don't have much money on my account, so they will, okay, I don't have much money in my account right now. So by the next video, I will try and buy it and continue with how you're going to sell. So in this video, you're going to what? I'm just showing you how you'll be able to buy it. So when you're done, all that you need to do is click on transferred, notify seller. So you click on that, they will notify the seller that. So guys, so that's the way that you're going to pass through to buy the BTC. But I'm going to cancel my order because I don't have money in my account right now. And in my next video, in part 3 of this video, I will deposit an amount and show you the best way that we were to buy the Bitcoin. So as you can see, this is our dashboard that you want to buy. So you can scroll, guys. There are a lot of sellers. There are a lot of sellers here that you can buy from them with a cheap amount of money. So you don't want to invest big, but in case you want to make big amount of money, unless you invest big, because you can't buy Bitcoin of maybe 20 cedis thinking that you get maybe 100 cedis. No, you can get, but depending on how the rate is. So in case the rate increases, you get. And guys, before I forget, you can even buy it and hold it in case the rate increase, then you sell it and make a big amount of money. So let me just show you in case you want to see where your balance is, just click on the down where you see wallets. When you get the wallet, you can see your balance, the amount of money Bitcoin you have. You can see I have 0.000 yet because I have not started trading yet. I created this account with you all, and we are going to do everything together. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do everything together. Without much I say, guys, if you find a value in this video, why not go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon to be notified when I drop more videos. Give me a like or thumbs up on this video and think that what I'm doing, we have found value in it. And guys, go ahead and share this video to all your friends who are looking for you to make money online. Peace out. I'm out.